Everyone, my name is Snehal Sudhashimarke. I completed my Java full stack development course in the JSpiders, and JSpiders is the well-known institute which provides the opportunities for the freshers. So I saw that here the trainers and all the members which are included in this JSpiders branch, they are so friendly, and their communication skills is helped me to improve myself, and they provides the learning opportunities as well. So I take the Java full stack development course. In that I learned the core Java, uh, advanced Java, and web technology as well. So apart from the training, apart from the technical skills, they help us to improve our communication skills and presentation skills and grooming as well. So they also focus on these skills instead of doing or providing just the technical skills. So I